my channel. My name is Kimi and today we will be trying Glamnetic lashes and nails. It's a magnetic lash brand, female founded, easy to apply, and great for beginners. I've heard a lot of influencers that have used them, so I've been curious for a while, and now I will finally see if I like them or not. I'll show you the application of the lashes. I'll show you the applications of the nails. I'm also going to check in with you guys throughout the entire day to see how they feel, how they lasted, if a nail fell off. I'm gonna put all of the timestamps below as to if you're interested in just the lashes, if you're just interested in the nails. I've got my makeup on and everything, and oh my god, my nails. But we'll get to that after. I'm gonna be trying the Lucky one. I got 3 different designs. They all kind of look similar because I just like that glamorous, fluffy look. Definitely there's different styles that you could choose from, like natural to super dramatic. I like somewhere in between. Also have this thing called a lash grab, which is basically kind of like a little tweezer you can use to apply the lashes. You can of course use your fingers as well, but since I have this, I'm gonna try this as well. First, I'm gonna apply my liner. So this one is the Glamnetic So Future Magnetic Felt Tip Eyeliner Pen. Now I am going to take these lashes, and what's interesting about these are they have 6 magnets on them, and that adheres to the magnetic eyeliner. And so I'm going to show you. Let's see. Okay. It's, oh, the magnets are on there. So now if I tug it, it ain't coming off. Okay, let's do the other eye, but just using my fingers. Wow. 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 After you apply the eyeliner and then pop those babies on, there's also these things called lash anchors. They're just a little tiny small strip of lash where you put it at the ends and the inner corners of your lashes, and they sandwich your natural lashes between them to ensure there's not going to be any liftage. You've used traditional lash strips with the glue, you know that if you get teary-eyed, if you're crying, if you don't put enough glue, it will start lifting, and then you're walking around with like a half lifted lash. These anchors will ensure that they're gonna stay put. Definitely love how this looks. Well, I'm about to go for a run, so we'll see how these lashes do under all the sweat that is going to drip down my face. I'm gonna do 30 minutes of cardio on the treadmill.
Two hours later.
Right now, we are having some spaghetti. The most important thing is my lashes are still on. I worked out with it. I took a shower even, a hot steamy shower, and it's still on. So that's perfect. easy to apply, they last longer than nail polish, and they last up to 2 weeks. I got 2 styles. I got Juicy and Creme de Nude. Today I'm gonna do Creme de Nude. These juicy ones are definitely super cute as well. I think I'm gonna save that for a party day. I do have a party coming up, yep. I'm gonna wear those. These are so nice. It looks like I went to the salon. I can't stop looking at them. And this nude style is definitely really in right now, the ombre. And it's definitely not something you could do at home with like nail polish. I really like this. Alright, so that was my review on Glamnetic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you never miss another video from Kimi. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and I will talk to you next time. Bye!